One of the key features of the AI networking platform is the ability to arrange meetings and build connections with other attendees even before the show opens its door. You'll find the recommendation list on the left navigation bar or in the home feed section under Start Networking. These are the list of smart recommendations that's specially curated based on our AI matchmaking software and answers you've given on the onboarding process. So, aside from the onboarding questions, the AI actually learns from your behavior by understanding the profiles that you have skipped, show interest, or set up meetings with. Initially, you'll see around 10 lists of participants, but the more you interact on the list, the more recommendation and matches you will receive. As you can see, you have three call to action button on each profile. The fast call to action you can do is to show interest and include a personalized message if you wish to do so. By showing interest into a profile, this user will move into my interested list. Or you can go straight ahead and request a meeting with someone. You can also skip a profile that is not relevant for you. No one will know that you've skipped them, so don't hesitate to take this action. And these will help our AI learn even further on the type of participants you'd like to meet with. All the profiles that you have skipped will move under my skip list. You can always unskip users if you change your mind for whatever reasons. And when someone shows interest in your profile, you'll find them under interested in you. From here, you can show interest back, chat, or skip a profile. Or this is where you can actually, again, initiate a chat messages. So you'll only be able to send chat messages when a user is interested in you or you've already made a connection. The connection is made in two ways, again, either by you having accepted meetings or showing interest back and creating a handshake similar to this. Once a mutual interest has been established, the profile will sit directly into my connection list. This is the list of everyone you've connected with throughout the entire event. You can review your connections directly on this area as well as on the right hand side where you can directly chat with your connection. The application also allows you to freely network outside your recommendation list. You have here other attendee listing for you to review or search for someone in particular using the search bar at the top. If you'd like to request a meeting with someone, click on the Request a Meeting button or go to the user profile directly. From here, you'll be able to see the invitee name, select the date, and the time. This is why it's important to update your availability in the profile section because this will take into account everybody's meeting availability, making sure the time works for everyone. The location option varies depending on the dates you have selected from here. You'll be able to select in-person meeting on the first 3 days of the event or to meet virtually on the rest of the event dates. We also encourage you to include a personalized message before hitting the send button. Down right here is the pending meeting request limit, means you'll regain that meeting count back once the user take action on the meeting request you've sent, or either you can cancel the meeting. It just really means that you have to think about whom to send the meeting request. Once you've sent the meeting request, an email will be sent through to the participants and they can either accept, decline, or ask to reschedule this meeting. An email notification will also be sent to you for any responses. Equally, you'll see the check icon if it has been accepted by the other party. All the meeting schedules that you have been accepted, sent, and received will all be available under My Schedule. You can filter the meeting by dates, meeting status, and can easily check as well all the pending meetings or action you have taken by checking out the tags right here and also include if it's an in-person meeting or a virtual meeting. And the meeting location is also available right here. And if you requested an in-person meeting similar to this one, you still have an option to open up a virtual meeting room just in case there's a change of plans or you can no longer attend to this meeting in person. So you don't have to cancel it but instead to join it virtually. When your upcoming meeting is about to start, this virtual meeting room is accessible for you to enter 5 minutes before the meeting starts to make sure you won't miss anything. Again, all the meeting requests requires mutual confirmation and they will be reminded on a timely basis. So make sure you send out your request early as possible to make relevant connection.